me like Joanna, Joanna. How you do me like Joanna, Joanna. You can do me like Joanna, Joanna.
What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel.
Joanna,
Okay, so as you see by the title, you know what type of video we are doing today. And when I'm in this room, you know we're doing a wig video. So today I have this gorgeous pink wig from AliExpress. I will pop it up on the screen how much it was because I don't remember. But of course it is synthetic, but I think I really bodied this. Is definitely giving Nicki Minaj vibes. So let me know your thoughts, of course, down in the comments. If you want to see how I installed this, definitely just stay tuned. And yeah, if you don't know who I am, my name is McKinley Brooke. I make fashion vlogs, hair, beauty, that type of content. So if you're interested in that type of content, definitely just head on over to my channel, click that subscribe and like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. I'm not gonna ramble on too long, y'all. I think I really slayed this. Let me know what y'all think though. Let's just get right into the video.
Overnight, you out of sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you.
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the ground. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped a mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who'da thought a countrywide tour be the outcome? Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm. Everybody got a deal, I did it without one. Yeah, nigga, I'm about my business. Killing all these rappers, you would swear I had a hit list. Everyone who doubted me is asking for forgiveness. If you ain't been a part of it, at least you got to witness.
It may not mean nothing, nothing, nothing. It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing, 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 nothing.
Okay, hello, it's the Martian, Space Jam Jordans. I want this shit forever, wake up and smell the garden, fresher than the harvest, step up to the target. If I had one guess, then I guess I'm just New Orleans. And I will never stop, like I'm running from the cops. Hopped up in my car and told my chauffeur to the top. Life is such a fucking roller coaster, then it drops. But what should I scream for? This is my theme park. My mind shine even when my thoughts seem dark. Pistol on my side, you don't wanna hear that thing talk. Let the king talk, check the price and pay attention. Lil Wayne, that's what they gotta say or mention. I'm like Nevada in the middle of the summer. I'm resting in the lead, I need a pillow and a cover. My foot sleeping on the gas. No brake pads, no such thing as last.
It may not mean nothing, nothing, nothing. It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing, 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 nothing.
There they go, back Packing stadiums as shady spitzes grow. Nuts they go, macadamian they go so ballistic. Whoa, he can make them look like bozos. He's wondering if he should spit this slow. Fuck no, go for broke. His cup just wanna throw, but oh no, he ain't had him a boss like this since the last time that he overdosed. They've been waiting patiently for Pinocchio to poke his nose back into the game, and they know rap will never be the same as before. Passion in the brains of these souls and establishing a name as he goes. The passion and the flame is ignited. You can't put it out once we light it. This shit is exactly what the fuck that I'm talking about when we riot. You dealing with a few true villains who stand inside of the boot, true spilling and spit true feelings until our two feelings come flying up out of our mouths. Never mind it. Payback motherfucker for the way that you gotta be. How's it taste? When I slap the taste out of your mouth with the bass so loud that it shakes the place. I'm Hannibal Lecter, so just in case you're thinking of saving face, you ain't gonna have no face to say by the time I'm through with this place. So Dre.
Y'all, that was the end of this video. Let me know down in the comments if I did a good job. I think I did pretty good on this wig. Like, it looks pretty good to me. But yes, y'all, of course everything will be linked down in the description box. Let me know how I did, and let me know what other type of videos you want me to do, what other type of wig colors you want, because I just did a blue wig and I'm doing a pink, and now I'm doing a pink wig, so I might just be doing like a whole colorful wig tour going on. I don't know yet. But yeah, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you lovelies in the next one. Bye.